part 2. Ma-realize kaya sinabi ko nga part 2. Guys, tara mag-video pa tayo. What is the meeting? Satisfy mo na. Tayo.
Just love you, bro. I'm just joking. I'm trying to say it.
Guys, kasi ano guys, nakuha ng
Name is Zen, right? Bro, that's my father. I don't care, bro.
nakuha tuloy ng babae. Guys, naiinis na ako. Pati siya, may free yata yung guys. Kaya, bye! Part 3!